This 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2920BS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Delaware, Ohio, 43015 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Columbus. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 7, Slideout, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.